fill in the blanks. A river is an example of dash source, fresh water. The water that flow into river, stream, sea and ocean is called runoff water. A dash is a source of groundwater spring. In glucose solution, glucose is the dash solute. Dash is the primary source of water, rainwater. The ability of a substance to dissolve in a given liquid is called solubility. Acid rain contain oxide of sulfur. The sudden variation of temperature in water bodies that adversely, that is harmful, that is opposite affects aquatic life is called thermal shock. The smaller component present in a solution is referred to as solute. Water is called a dash part solvent, that is universal solvent. That is, water is called the universal solvent. Next part. Choose the correct answer for each of the following. Ocean water is an example of fresh water. It is the right answer, but not right answer. Ground water, surface water, table water, potential water, others water. Okay. The level below which soil is saturated with water is called water table, aquifer, spring, well. That is the proper answer, right answer, water table. Which of the following factors does not affect the solubility of a solute in a solvent? Only for check the answer, color of the solute. Next part, which of the following is not a cause of water pollution? UV ray. Okay. Identify the methods that helps to prevent water pollution. The proper answer, but right answer, use of the biodegradable fertilizer and pesticides. Which of the following is not a method of proper water rearrange? That is the management, the construction of water park. Next item, write T for true and F for false. All the water found on earth is suitable for drinking. False. The seepage of rainwater through the surface of the soil is called infiltration. True. The rate of solubility of gases increases with an increase in temperature. True. A solution in which no more solute can be dissolved in a solvent is called a saturated solution. True. Eutrophication indicates that the water source is pollution free. That is false. Water pollution can be reduced by treating the sewage before letting it off into water bodies. That is true. Now discuss the some very short type objective question answer in air atmosphere based on icse class 6 part 2. Before the link, that is the part 1 link to get the, please show the description box. Dear viewers, I shall show the notes on discussed topic immediately after the discussion. It will be shown on the screen. Right, T for true and F for false. The percentage of carbon dioxide present in the atmosphere is 21%. That is F. Oxygen does not support combustion. False. Carbon dioxide is used by plant during photosynthesis. T. Next question. Dust and smoke are released from factories and by burning of garbage. T for true. Inert gases are very reactive in nature. False. Humidity is in coastal region. T for true. Next part, oxygen is required from obtaining energy from food, tea. Next part, during combustion only dust is released, false. Next part, petroleum fuel are cleaner fuel as they release less pollutant during combustion, false. Carbon dioxide supports the process of rusting, F for false. Next part, painting iron objects prevent them from rusting, T for 2. Fill in the blanks. Meteors burn and appear as shooting stars in the layer, that is thermosphere and mesosphere. The right answer, fill in the blanks, proper word, mesosphere. Dash, carbon dioxide and nitrogen is the most abundant gas present in the atmosphere. That is the nitrogen. Nitrogen is the most abundant gas present in the atmosphere. Nitrogen dash does not support combustion of fuels, and shade does not support. So that is, nitrogen does not support combustion of fuel. Next part, dash, argon or radon is used in the treatment of cancer. Answer, radon. That is, radon is used in the treatment of cancer. Next question, burning of fossil fuel releases dash, nitrogen or carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Answer, carbon dioxide. That is, burning of fossil fuel releases carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Rusting of iron objects make them strong or brittle. The answer, strong. That is, rusting of iron objects makes them strong. Next part, discuss the part of choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer is of the following. Number 1, that is A. The second most abundant gas present in the atmosphere is oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and others part water vapor. The answer, oxygen. Certain bacteria present in soil can convert atmospheric gas into unusable compound. The answer, option, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen, and water vapor. The correct answer, nitrogen. Green plants make use of dash during the process of photosynthesis to produce, that is the preparation, their own food. That is the option, carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, argon. Answer, carbon dioxide. Which of the following is a solid fuel? Diesel, wood, LPG, petroleum. That is petrol. Answer, wood. Oxygen is constantly replenished by green plants through the process of photosynthesis, respiration, sedimentation, combustion. Answer, photosynthesis. Which of the following measures helps in maintaining the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in nature? Answer, encourage cutting down of tree. Which of the following metals is used for electroplating? Sodium, tin, magnesium, calcium. Answer, tin. Next part, that is part 3 in air and atmosphere based on icse class 6 for the some question answer. Now show the note in the screen.